Bisahe. Kisay, wala ka bisahe.
Bisahe.
Dadayalik. Bisaya, sagol o ginunggo. O, na siyang bisahe. Okay. Pirato. Professor. Okay, start kami sa political. Tariff rates on imported sugar. Start 2010-2011 is 38%. 2012, 28%, and 2013, 18%, 2014, 10%, and 2015, 5%. Tariff siya sa mga imported sugar. Policy and advocacy on social remuneration programs. Biofuels law and of 2006, 10%. Gikari siya sa tubo. Sa madiesel man siya or magasolin. Okay, sa economics. High value sugar based product. Example, soft drinks, bake shop, products, etc. Existence of traders and